Hello my hair warriors, it's me, Aaron O'Brien, your friendly neighbourhood hairdresser. Today you are going to follow me on my daily routine wearing a Lordhair system, and this video is sponsored by Lordhair.com. So follow me on my day with my vlog and see how this baby lasts.
Wakey wakey, Aaron. Aaron.
Morning. Things I do for Lordhair. What time is it?
It's 6:30.
6. Oh my god, so early. Okay, so I have to show you what my hair is like in the morning when I get up, and this is real life time. So I have my silk pillowcase and I have my silk bonnet. I have a silk pillowcase just in case my bonnet for some reason comes off at night, and the silk pillowcase protects it. The bonnet has silk on the inside. It's the first hand look of what my hair is like in the morning, and I think it looks probably pretty decent because it's usually easy. This is the satin or silk. Once it has this material on the inside, it's really going to help, and also silk pillowcases are really good for your skin. I'm gonna go for a workout downstairs in my gym, so let's go. 6:30, Jay, really? It's early. All right, follow me. I have to get changed as well. So I'm just going to get changed really quickly in here, the gym, and then you can watch me work out a little bit and how this lasts in the morning. I'm getting changed, I said. Okay, dressed and ready and on my bike. Alright, so usually I work out in the mornings for about, is it 30 minutes, Jay?
Yeah.
Because that's all I have in the morning, because I have 2 kids and I need to also help get them ready. So I'll work out here with the bike, and then I'm gonna do a few weights, and then I have to go and have a shower, and I'll show you my washing routine with my system, but I'm gonna sweat it out. So this is pretty much what I do every day, and my Lordhair system, it really lasts. I'm still half asleep. I'll see you in the shower. Okay, so I am getting ready to go in the shower, and I'm just going to tell you my hair washing routine. So I usually do one hydrate shampoo. It's really important, and I always say hydrate because it's more moisturizing for the systems. And then I'm going to do a conditioner, and just one conditioner afterwards as well. Always make sure that your water is lukewarm, not too hot, because it can dry out the system quicker. So I actually keep my temperature of the water on the colder side. And then just be gentle when you're washing your system. Really important, because you want to prolong and make sure that the system lasts a very long time. It's time to get this hair washed. Let's do it. Jay, can you step back a little bit? I want to close the door. Freshly shaved, shower done, and I'm ready to finish off my routine. So the first thing is I always moisturize my skin, but when I moisturize, I always recommend do not bring the moisturizer too high up to the base, because that can get greasy and oily, and you don't want your glue to detach even earlier. So that's one tip I always give. Then when I am blow drying, I use a really good blow dryer where I have temperature control to make sure I know the amount of heat that I'm using, along with a fantastic heat protector. This is the Miracle Spray from AOB. It's also a great detangler, and one of the most important things for hair system wearers is a fantastic brush. This is a bamboo brush, but what I love about it, it has these rounded edges. So always make sure you have these rounded edges, like the little ball at the end, because it'll stop the snag in the hair system if you're wearing lace, or if you don't want it to get caught underneath and pull some of the system off. It's a gentle way to make sure that your system lasts longer and stays on. Okay, quick tip, and this is great that it's happened at this moment because it's a teaching moment. So while I was blow drying my hair, because I've been wearing my system for 2 weeks now, it's become a little bit loose around the hairline. So I'm going to show you how to fix that in a very quick few minutes. I'm just going to clip my hair back a little bit. You can see where the system has come loose. So we just peel back. This is where it showcases what I need to cut and put in for a system. I used a rounded tape, and I'm actually just going to cut it to the size that I really need it. So I'm going to cut this in half and round it off to the shape of the system. And this is a really quick fix. I have already put alcohol on that piece already, just on my skin, just to dry it out. And we just peel back. This is very simple, very fast. All right. So I place the tape just here and matching up along the edges. So we just match this up here and right along the edge. Make sure it's nice and secure. And then we simply peel back. So now we have the glue just to help secure it for another few days before I change out my whole system. I might even get a full week out of it. We're perfect, and boop. Okay, so I am finished. I am ready to go. First up is Global Television, the morning show. I have a fabulous segment to do there today.
All right, but hair expert Aaron O'Brien has us covered with styles that are easy to pull off on our sun and sweat-soaked hair. Doesn't that sound so delicious? Aaron, good to see you.
Yes,
always.
we're here again. We're doing something fun and fabulous today with cottage summer styles.
Yeah.
Amazing.
And then I am stopping off at my salon, the Cellar Salon, downtown Toronto, where we do hair systems, and we have a very special person, and we're going to be recording a fabulous video for Lordhair, which is what I'm doing now as well. So I'm just going to finish getting dressed and make my way to Global TV. Okay, off I go. Alright, so I'm off to work now, and after getting ready, thank you to my lovely husband for waking me up this morning a little bit earlier than usual. Whee! Okay. See, it's still on my head. I have had many windy days with this window open, and it usually withstands the test of big breezes. I am nearly here at work, and woo, noisy truck, and I have a client in that's getting a hair system today. Actually, I have done this client's hair many times, and we're doing a little bit of a change too, which is really exciting. This has been a good way to show everybody, I suppose, how I get ready in the morning, and that a hair system is extremely easy, whether it's having a shower, whether it's me in the gym, whether it's me sticking my head out the car window. It's so easy, and it's a great way to really show a day in the life of hairstylist Aaron O'Brien. Here we go, we're about to park. Alright. Okay, parked, arrived, and ready to get to work. Alright, here we go. Let's go. I'm only joking. It's been a long day doing hair systems, and I feel like I need a little bit of a break. So I'll come out into the nice quiet, have a little bit of lunch. It's really hot out. It's like 30 degrees, and my hair system, it feels great. I never feel even the stickiness, even when I'm outside and when it's really, really hot. I never worry about it. I feel that it really works extremely well. But you have to leave me for a few minutes because this guy's got to eat. And have coffee, of course. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Don't forget to click the link below. Make sure you comment anything that you want me to make going forward, or if you have any questions. This video was sponsored by Lordhair.com. I'll see you all very, very soon. Bye.